Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet sofa blanket, often referred to as a crochet trove, is a handmade or machine-crafted blanket created using the technique of crochet. It is designed to drop over a sofa and is often used for decorative purposes or to provide warmth and comfort. Features of crochet sofa blankets: materials made from yarn, typically wool, cotton, acrylic, or blends. Patterns. Common patterns include granny skirts, ripple, zigzag, shell stays, and intricate-like designs. Colors. They come in variety of colors, from neutral tones to vibrant, multicolored designs. Size. Usually sized to comfort the back of a sofa or used as a love blanket. Uses. Decorative, adds a cozy and stylish touch to a living room. Functional, provides warmth during colder months. Personalized gift, often handmade and given as thoughtful gifts. Here are some tips for making a stylish and crochet sofa blanket. Making a crochet sofa blanket. Choose the right yarn. Softness. Opt for soft yarns like acrylic, cotton, or wool blend for comfort. Durability. Use machine washable yarn for easy maintenance, especially if it will be used frequently. Select an appropriate pattern. Beginner friendly. Start with simple spaces like single crochet, double crochet, or granny squares. Advanced designs. Try patterns like ripple, chevron, or intricate like for a more sophisticated look. Use the right hook size. Follow the yarn label recommendation. For hook size, a larger hook creates a looser, softer blanket, while a smaller hook makes tighter stitches. Plan the size, measure your sofa, and indicate whether you want a full coverage blanket or a smaller throw. Add borders. A border can give your blanket a polished finish. Just cloth, shell, or picot edging for added charm. Mix colors and textures. Use complementary or contrasting colors to match your home decor. Experiment with textured yarn for a unique look. Take breaks. Crochet can be time intensive. Take breaks to avoid hand or wrist strain. Styling a crochet sofa blanket, jump it over the back. Fold the blanket neatly and jump it over the back of the sofa for a tidy, classic look. Layer with pillows. Pair it with throw pillows and complementary colors or patterns to create a cozy setup. use as a focal point. If your crochet blanket is colorful or intricately designer, let it be the standout bit in a neutral room. Create a casual look. Toss it casually over the arm or corner of the sofa for a relaxed, inviting vibe. Coordinated it from Decor, match the blanket's colors and style with your living room theme, like farmhouse, modern, or vintage. Make it functional, keep it within reach for use during movie nights or chilly evenings. Advanced tips for making a crochet sofa blanket. Combine stitches for texture. Use a mix of stitches like popcorn, bubble, or puff stitches to add depth and dimension. Incorporate stripes or ombre effects. Alternate yarn colors for stripes or use gradient yarn for a seamless ombre effect. Try a motif design. Create blanket using small motifs like hexagons, flowers, or stars. Join them together for a unique, artistic look. Use chunky yarn for quick results. Thick, chunky yarn can create a cozy blanket faster and is ideal for beginners. Add tassels or fringe. Attach tassels or fringe to the edge for a boho or rustic touch. Experiment with shapes. While rectangular blankets are traditional, try circular, hexagonal, or symmetrical shapes for a modern twist. Block your blanket after finishing. Block your crochet blanket to straighten the edge and even out the stitches for a professional finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!